Common immigration forms and fees. If you're applying for a family-based green card, then there are certain government forms that you'll need to complete, each with its own varying costs. In this video, we'll give a brief overview of some of the most common ones plus their cost. Please note that the government updates immigration forms regularly, so always double-check USCIS.gov for the newest version. Green card that the government updates in medical order. DS-260, Online Immigrant Visa Application. This form is used when applying for a green card from outside the United States through a process called consular processing. It must be completed by the person seeking a green card, and it costs $325. DS-261, Online Choice of Address and Agent. This form tells the State Department how to contact you if you're applying from outside the U.S. It must be completed by the person seeking the green card, and this form has no associated cost. Form I-129F, Petition for Alien Fiance. This is the form that K-1 applicants will use to bring their fiancé, plus any children with them, to the United States. It can also be used by K-3 applicants to bring their spouse, plus any children, to the U.S. in order to apply for lawful permanent residence. The sponsoring relative, U.S. citizen or green card holder, is responsible for filing this form, and it will cost $535. Form I-130, Family Sponsorship Petition. This form establishes that a valid family relationship exists between a sponsoring relative, USC or LPR, and the relative seeking a green card. The sponsoring relative must file this form. It will cost $535. Form I-130A, Supplemental Information Form. This form is used to gather additional background information, e.g., employment, family, and residential history about a person seeking a green card. The spouse seeking a green card will need to file this form, and there is no additional cost to file it. Form I-131, Application for Travel Document, Advanced Parole. This form is filed by applicants who wish to travel outside the U.S. while their green card application is pending. It's filed by the person seeking a green card, and it will cost $0 if you paid the filing fee for Form I-485, otherwise it will be $105 to $575. Form I-485, Green Card Application. This form is for applicants applying for a green card from within the United States through the Adjustment of Status process. It's filed by the relative seeking the green card, and it will cost $1,140 plus an $85 biometrics fee. The cost drops down to $750 if the applicant is under 14 and filing with a parent. Form I-693, Report of Medical Examination and Vaccination Record. This form documents the results of the medical exam. It will be completed by a medical professional and filed by the relative seeking a green card. This form is free of charge. Form I-751, Petition to Remove Conditions. This form updates a conditional green card that expires after 2 years to a 10-year permanent green card. This form must be completed by the new green card holder and their sponsoring relative. It will cost $595 plus an $85 biometrics fee. Form I-765, Application for Employment Authorization Document. This form is a request to allow an applicant to work lawfully in the U.S. while their green card application is pending. It's filed by the relative seeking a green card and will cost $0 if the applicant has already paid the filing fee for Form I-485, otherwise it'll be $410. Form I-864, Financial Support Form. This form is to show that the sponsoring relative or joint sponsor meets the income requirements to support the relative seeking the green card once in the United States. The sponsoring relative or joint sponsor will file it. This form is $0. Form I-684A, Contact between sponsor and household member. This form states that the sponsoring relative's household member promises to make their income and/or assets available in order to help the sponsoring relative meet the income requirement. It is filed by the sponsoring relative's household member and will cost $0. Form I-90, Application to Replace Green Card. This form is filed when applying to renew or replace an expired, soon-to-be expired, lost, stolen, or damaged green card. It will be filed by the green card holder and will cost $455 plus an $85 biometric fee. Immigrating to the U.S. can be confusing and expensive, but Boundless is here to help. Answer simple questions online and let us handle the rest. See how we can help you by clicking the link in our description. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Boundless on YouTube. Thanks for watching.